Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 4a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. You can message and call also. And question number 4a is prove that sine 2x plus sine 4 upon plus cos 2x plus cos 2x equal to sine 2x. So, and the second one is find the general value of theta satisfying 4 cos square theta equal to 3. So, we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need answer of this question, you can contact us without any hesitation or any delay. You can and you have if you have other queries related to any study material or anything, you can contact also.